nodes. So in this string compare to, in the example 3, here, one second. So it is saying that when we are comparing, so input string lowercase and uppercase, it is comparing, sir. But when I am running, so the result, the output is coming as minus 32. So what is this? My 32 means I have counted this one, it is 16 and this one is 16. So that's why,
Characters.
hmm?
16 characters.
Yes, sir, 16 each one. When I counted, it is around 16, sir. So this is also
It is
16,
not
so it
the
is.
not. You just remove country from both sentence.
So whatever I am doing, the same output I am getting. But what is the wrong? I didn't understand, sir. The logic behind
Yeah,
this one.
remove country from both the sentence.
Huh.
Yeah, now run it.
The same. This is the what is happening, sir.
Right. So that means it is not depending on number of characters of the
Hmm.
sentence. Right. So
Yes.
just in Google, say ASCII value of capital I.
Okay,
Open
sir.
another browser. Capital I and small I. Three.
To 126.
No, that is a range.
Huh.
In the bottom, you see what is the ASCII value of capital. That is 73.
Hmm.
For small I, check separately small I. Or open that table. Go to the first link. Open that table.
Shall I directly write here, sir?
No. Open the first link. You will see all the different values for all characters.
Okay, sir. You mean this one?
So you have come down. You see for small I, it is 106.
I 106.
Capital I,
Capital I. It is 73, no, sir.
70. So what is the difference?
106 minus 73. Yeah, 33.
So that is the difference it takes basically. It's
Hmm.
32 widely. Or maybe
Hmm.
just
It is 33, sir. 106 minus 73 is 33.
33, 73, no?
Huh.
Is 73 or 74?
It is 73 because I have
I
seen
think
there.
it is 105 it is taking. Go to the left top left. It is 105 I think. For, small I. Which one is code? Which code it is taking? So what go up further? So I think the left side one it is taking. This ASCII code is this one, first one.
Okay, okay.
First one it is
Hmm. So 105, sir, right?
right.
So 105 minus 73 is 32.
32. So it basically take the difference of ASCII values
Hmm.
while it is comparing.
So where it is comparing, sir? Only it is comparing with I and I.
It will first compare the first character.
Hmm.
Okay, if they are equal, it will move on to the next. So make the I as capital in the second sentence. Now it will compare the difference between n, and that is what will be printed. Check. So it will be always minus 32 because So that difference will be always 32, na? So because they are in
Mm-hmm.
a order.
Okay. If I change it, sir, when then
So
also we
instead
can
of,
get it.
yeah, do one thing. Instead of
Uh,
n,
hmm.
instead of small n, say p. Now check. It will be different,
Hmm. Yes, sir.
right? So I, then j k l m n o p.
Hmm.
So it is taking that difference
Okay. ASCII difference, right,
now.
sir?
Right.
Hmm. One second, sir. Let me just find it. Hmm. So the next one is here it is explaining about uh, exceptions like class exception and null point exception. It has given the errors like that, but I didn't understand the logic in this program only, sir. Simply I have copied and pasted here that I can understand somewhere with that one, but still I didn't understand, sir.
So the let's see what is it about. He's saying compared to example.
Huh.
He is importing from util. Then you have the class. You have one private variable name. Then you have the constructor player. Okay, and then it is saying compared to example. And what it is trying to compare, it has created three objects. Okay, three
Hmm.
player objects, and then it is adding one dot uh, to a list, array list. It is adding all those to a array list. Okay,
Hmm.
then it is saying collections dot binary search save. Okay, come down. Is that all?
Yes, sir. That's all.
So basically, it is saying, let's say you have a list of players, which
Hmm.
is stored in the array list A1. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to search the another player called Sehwag.
Hmm.
Okay, that Sehwag string you have to search inside that array list. So when
Hmm.
it is searching, it will use that compare method
Okay.
internally. So it is
Hmm.
not showing you here, but internally that this binary search method uses that compare method. So what
Hmm.
it does is first it will compare between Ronaldo and Sehwag.
Hmm.
So it will check first characters R and S. Are their ASCII value same? No. So it is not found. So it will go to the next. Then it will find Sachin versus Sehwag. Then it will check
Oh.
the ASCII value of S and S same. But next character A and E it is
Hmm.
different. So it will say not found. Then it will search the third sentence, third word, Messi and Sehwag.
Hmm.
So basically, it is trying to say it uses that compare to method of comparing ASCII values when you do binary search.
Okay, sir. But we have not declared any. We have not given anything about Shahwag, sir. Directly in collections dot binary search, we have given directly as Shahwag.
You
How
have
it
given
will learn
A1, no? You have given A1.
A1? Huh? A1 we have given.
What is A1?
A1 is the array list of players.
In that you have added Ronaldo, Sachin, and Messi, no?
Yes, sir.
So inside A1, now you have all those three objects.
Players.
All
Huh?
those three values are there.
Okay.
So what binary search method do, inside the binary search method, it takes that array list and then it will loop through that array list and then each one of that array list will be compared with Seva.
Okay. Okay.
So
So.
internally that logic runs and then it will return you true or false that it is found or not.
So everything will be depending upon the statement, sir. The binary search.
Right. So it is a inbuilt method which is defined. So internally how it is doing, we don't need to know. But if anybody says that using compare to method, how you
Hmm.
will implement such functionality, that time you can explain this way.
Okay, okay. So for such functionality, we will be using this one, sir.
We have many search methods. This is called binary search. So we
Hmm.
have searching and sorting algorithms.
Hmm.
So I will take you through those later on.
Hmm.
You need to understand which algorithm you should use in which scenario, which use
Okay.
case.
Mm-hmm.
So based on that, we have to. This is like a different search tools, right?
Okay.
So those we have to learn, and based on the use case, we have to take a decision which one you should.
Mm. So now when we are searching like this one, sir, we are as you said, it is comparing the ASCII values of R with S,
Mhm.
not found. So it will throw the error, sir, like
No,
null.
it will not throw the error. It will go
Uh,
to the next item. It
Next
will
with
go to searching.
searching. Okay. Next messy. So nothing is available. So that's why it is giving some class
Yeah, run it.
exception. Sir.
Yeah, run it now.
Okay. Sir. This is the error I got, sir.
So it is saying players cannot be cast to comparable uh, method. Okay. So it is a different error altogether. Okay.
Hmm.
It has nothing to do with the compare. So let's see. Class not be cast to. I think you will have one more program.
Hmm.
You will have one
Shall,
more program where it will show that
huh,
you have that class compared to example 4 is there. No, you have to extend it or implement comparable interface.
okay.
Okay, so go to that program where you have picked this up
Sure, sir.
tutorial. So in that tutorial, what did they say? It executes successfully or it throws exception?
No, sir. This is the error only. The same. What I got the output. The same output he has given here
Come
also.
also. So they will tell you why you have the exception.
He. This one is the program, sir. From here.
Come down, see the explanation why, what is the output, and so it's saying class cast exception. And why that
Hmm.
class cast exception will come?
He didn't give anything,
Come
sir.
down a little bit more.
Okay.
There is one more exception, Java string null pointer exception. Okay, and you go up.
Okay, sir.
So see this text. The class cast exception is thrown when objects of incompatible types get compared. Okay.
Hmm.
In the following example, we are comparing an object of the array list AI with a string literal sevag. Okay.
Hmm.
So sevag is a string literal,
Hmm.
but in the array list you have the compare objects. That is why
Yes.
so throwing class cast exception. Now you do one thing. Go back to your program. We'll do one more exercise. Now, in line number after line number 27, declare one more player object. Copy that line 27. Okay, paste it after 27. Okay, and name it as sevag. Variable name sevag, and uh, this text also makes sevag. Small letter. Variable always starts with
Yes.
small letter.
Yeah. Forgot. Sir.
Okay. Now remove the double quotation mark in line number 36 of Sehwag and make the ASL small. Okay. Now
Fine.
run this program.
Hmm.
So saying the class cast players cannot be cast to class lang dot comparable.
Player is in module Java project of loader app java.lan comparable is in module Java base of loader bootstrap.
Hello? Arajas. नहीं मैं भेज दिया था ना चेक कर नहीं मैं मीटिंग ऐसे रिकॉर्डिंग so in this case both are objects okay
Hmm.
but it is not of type comparable
Okay.
that is why it is not comparing them.
Hmm. So both are objects means even this one and this one, sir. Whatever we are comparing.
हाँ
Okay. So even the players are also we are. What is the comparison we are taking? This one we are treating it as object. But we have declared here, no, sir. Still it will be the
हाँ
same.
हाँ those are objects but go to the definition of binary search.
Hmm. Is a Java is a such algorithm that finds the position of a target value within a sorted array.
Hmm.
Hmm. What's the target
Okay,
value
do
to
one thing
an
you take an exercise
Okay, sir.
example for binary search code example for binary search.
I'll just make a note, sir.
Yeah, you go through the description definitions and then practice one.
Example for brain research, right, sir?
So it will come in your course of later courses. This would be little tougher, but
Hmm.
just try it out. If you feel tough, then leave it for now. Then
Hmm.
afterwards we'll come back.
Okay, sir. I'll just try for tomorrow. If it comes, okay, sir. So shall I leave it, sir, now?
The next question which you have.
Hmm. So this here the this is the null point exemption. It is saying, sir, this program.
Right. Do you understand what is null pointer exception? Why?
No, sir, I didn't get this two. The same, I didn't get this one and this one. These two programs I got struck up, sir. The class cast text exemption and the null point. I understood when a null point to the object invokes the compare to method. Observe the following example. It has given like that.
Go
So
to the program. It is simple. I will tell
this is the program, sir.
in your Eclipse.
In okay. Hmm.
Okay. See, can have any object, and using that object, you call the methods of that class. Right. For
Hmm.
example, string is a class,
Hmm.
and str is a object.
Okay.
And using that str object, you are calling compare to method.
Hmm.
So using any object, you can call any method of that class like this, whichever are public methods.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, if this object is null, that
Hmm.
time null pointer exception comes.
This object means this
str,
one.
str.
Uh,
So using any null object, so you can say str is null, so it is a null object. So using any null object, if you call any method, that time null pointer exception will come.
so what is the use, sir? Is there any particular use or with this one, what we are doing exactly, sir? The purpose
Yes.
of this one.
Purpose of this is to many times what happens is you create objects, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and you don't use it, so you mark it as null. Sometimes you are creating an object and you are passing to some other methods, okay.
Okay.
Suppose you are unable to create the object and you passed it, that time it will be passed as null.
Hmm.
So inside those other methods, it will be used as null. That time it will throw exception. It will say that it is not created properly. It is null.
Hmm.
So it is like,
Okay.
let's say you have packets of some goods or packets of gifts. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you forgot to put the gift inside the packet. Okay. And then
Okay.
you packed it and you send it to somebody.
Hmm.
When he opens it, you will see nothing is there inside the box. So
Hmm.
basically, he can't use that box.
Yes.
So it is null. It is empty.
Hmm. Hmm.
Same way, we why we create objects to use it or to give it to others to use it.
Hmm.
Either you use it for yourself or you pass
To
that object
others.
to somebody else to use it.
Hmm.
Now, when you are creating the object, for some reason, let's say the object was not created successfully, so it
Hmm.
will be null.
Okay.
But you do not know that it was
Hmm.
not created successfully. Now, when you
Hmm.
do not know, when you are not putting all right conditions,
Hmm.
and you are trying to call any method using that object,
Okay.
okay, that time it will throw the exception. It is a warning to you that you cannot use call this method because this object is null. So it is telling you, it is giving you some warning or exception by telling that this object is null, so you cannot call any methods of that class.
Okay. Okay.
That is the
Got it. Hmm. Right, sir. And this one I have done, sir. Compared to example. Fine, sir. This only this in these three programs I faced a little bit problems, sir. Other than that,
Pointer exception and cluster is very important. Okay.
okay.
So, memorize that whatever I told you. I'll post the
Hmm.
video, watch it again. And
Hmm.
this will be used daily, hundreds of
Okay.
many times. On daily basis, you will be coming across this null pointer exception and class test.
Hmm. Hmm. Sure, sir. So, so I
So
have
next
done
topic,
these ones.
what?
Done with them, sir. I did only these programs because in this string character at there are some around 6 to 7 programs, sir. Done with them, and I have done with these programs. That's all, sir, for the day. So
Next,
totally there are
any
around
remaining
I have done around some 12 programs.
12 programs. Okay, good.
Hmm. So in that these I understood the logic behind other programs, but these 3 to 4 programs I faced a lot of problem. I didn't understand even the logic also what is happening.
Well, but it is going good. Keep it up like that. And
Hmm.
I think in next couple of days we will be able to cover all the string operations.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll try to finish up as soon as possible. Means with the logics and all, I'll just try to finish up at least 3 to 4 topics per day. So
I
today I
mean,
completed till
program
here.
wise, you do it. I mean, as you,
Mm.
okay, if it is a complex, try to
Mm.
analyze and write down all your questions. I'll clarify and then
Mm.
move it. Okay.
No, sir, I'm not skipping even a simple program also because, as you told, I am studying for the first time. So if I miss, I may miss the logics. Uh, right, sir. I'll continue tomorrow,
Yeah.
sir. Bye, sir.